do better than we did last season, it's important that we try to put ourselves in a different position with this competition in particular than we were last season. So much of our experiences in two-legged affairs tells us a lot of what happens in the second leg is of course determined by what happens in the first leg, regardless of whether it's home or away. Yeah, I certainly have not used the word desperation. I don't feel that desperation, to be honest with you. I think that we are in a very good space to be able to dream of winning every trophy.